Namaskar, students. In this lecture, also we solve some examples related to transpose of matrix. Okay, let's fifth example of 3.3. For the matrices A and B, verify that AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Mean we have to verify the property of transpose. Here two examples given. I will solve one example and I will give you second in homework. I write here second homework. Okay, so we see carefully how to solve the example. First of all, we have to find AB and then find its transpose. So A into B product. Here product is possible because the order of A is 3 by 1 and the order of B is 1 by 3. Is that clear? So here number of columns equal to number of row. So the product is possible and the new matrix having order 3 by 3. So this is 3 by 3. Product AB is the matrix of order 3 by 3. So now multiply first row, first column, product is minus 1. First row, second column, 2. 1 into 1 is 1. Now second row, first column, product is 4. Second row, second column, minus 8. Second row, third column, minus 4. Simple product is there. Third row, first column, minus 3. Third row, second column, 6. Third row, third column, 3. Is that clear? So this is matrix A. Okay. Now find transpose of B. B is minus 1 to 1 and transpose is column. Minus 1 to 1. Transpose of A is column matrix, its transpose will be row matrix. 1 minus 4 3, transpose is 1 minus 4 3. You know the transpose mean interchange row and column. Okay. Now we have to find right side B prime A prime. B transpose into A transpose. So again the same thing, first row, first column, minus 1. First row, second column, product is 4. First row, third column is minus 3. So in this way, you can find this entire product matrix. And this is very clear, it is the transpose of AB matrix. AB is first row minus 1 to 1, here column minus 1 to 1. 4 minus 8 minus 4, second row, here it will be in second column. Here third row will be in third column. It means this matrix is the transpose of the AB matrix. Is that clear? So B transpose A transpose equal to AB whole transpose. Therefore 1 is true. First is verify it is true. Similarly, calculate yourself second one. I will give you homework. Okay. Next example, let's find 3.3 question number 6. If matrix A is cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then verify that A transpose into A equal to I. In sixth question, second also the same question, but I will give you that in homework. So see carefully how to verify first result. Okay. First of all, A transpose into A transpose into A. This is A transpose. A transpose can be solved by change the column into row. So first row write in first column, second row in second column, and the matrix A is itself here. Now multiplication. First row multiply with first column. So cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha, plus minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha is plus sin square alpha. Minus into minus is plus. Okay. Then second row multiply with second column. So cos alpha into sin alpha is here, plus minus sin alpha into cos alpha, that's why it will be negative. So minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now second row multiply with second column. Sin alpha into cos alpha is here, plus cos alpha into minus sin alpha. So it will be minus here. Now second row second column. Sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha, plus cos alpha into cos alpha is cos square alpha. Now you know sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1, and this is 0 because plus minus cancel. This is 0 plus minus cancel. This is 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1. And it is identity matrix. So A transpose A equal to I. It is verified. It is true. So first is true. Yourself verify. Second, I will give you homework. Okay, I give you in homework. Okay, now next example, sixth. This is very important. Find the value of x, y, z if A is the matrix 0xx, 2y, y minus y, z minus zz. Then if it is satisfy the equation A transpose into A equal to I. Okay. Mean the matrix is satisfy this equation, and then you have to find value of x, y and z. Good. So A is satisfied, mean right here A transpose A equal to I. So this is A transpose 0xx is right in row, second column in second row, third column in third row, and into A, this is as it is matrix A equal to identity matrix. Okay. Now multiplication, first row first column, this is 3 by 3, this is 3 by 3, so obtained matrix is also 3 by 3. Multiply first row first column, 0 into 0 plus x into x, x square, plus x into x, x square. Now second row second column, sorry, first row second column, multiply. So 0 into 2y is 0, plus x into y is xy, plus x into minus y is minus xy. Okay. Then multiply first row with third column. 0 into z is 0, plus x into minus z is minus zx, plus x into z is zx. Similarly, multiply second row with first column. So 2y into 0 is 0, plus y into x is xy, plus y minus y into x is minus xy. Okay. Then similarly second row second column, 2y into 2y, 4y square, y into y plus y square, minus y into minus y plus y square. Okay. Similarly, second row multiply with second, third row, second row multiply with third column is here. Next, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column is here. Clear? So try yourself. Equal to identity matrix. Now, this is 2x square, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0 cancel, so this is 6y square, and 0, 0, 0, 3z square. This is 0, this is 0, 3z square. Equal to identity matrix. Now comparison. When two matrices are similar, their corresponding elements similar. So 2x square is 1, 6y square is 1, 3z square is 1, and remaining 0 equal to 0. So I write here, so x square equal to 1 by 2, y square equal to 1 by 6, z square equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So what is x? Is plus or minus 1 by root 2. What is y? Is plus or minus 1 by root 6. And what is z? It is plus or minus 1 by root 3. Is that clear? So these are the values of x, y, z. The similar example is in illustration 21. So write yourself. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 example we solve here, and you have to write all example twice in homework. Remember. Thank you.